Now, if you want to make Valorant look brighter here, well, there are a few things that you may want to do. So, the thing with Valorant here, in order for you to make your game vibrant, it actually depends on your PC and which GPU you're using. Now, depending on what GPU you're using, the steps might be different. So, if you're using AMD, the option may be different. Or if you're using NVIDIA, well, again, it's going to be different. So, in my case, I'm actually using NVIDIA. Now, the steps are kind of different, but you're going to look for the same settings here. So, what we need to do is you want to go and make sure that the app or the driver for your GPU is actually installed. So, I'm assuming you already have that. So, in my case, or actually have the NVIDIA app installed in my PC. So, just type, or just you want to look for the NVIDIA app here. And inside the app, you want to go ahead and access your settings. So, at the left side, you want to click on settings. Sorry, you want to go to graphics instead of settings. But again, depends on what GPU you're using. So under graphics, you want to look for Valorant. Choose Valorant here. Just wait for it to load up. And what you're looking for here specifically is going to be um, your settings for certain to make it brighter or vibrant. And again, you can use a bunch of combination here depending on your GPU. So in my case, I actually have the following. So I actually added detail quality here to set to high. And also, I went to driver settings here, and you have RTX dynamic vibrance. Now, you want to turn this on, and you can go and just increase the intensity. Depends on your preference here. You can start with 75, and saturation is around 75. And if you're still not satisfied, you could go and choose intensity first or the saturation boost here. Play around these settings here. Just make sure to click on apply here so that your changes will actually be saved. Now, that's about it. So typically, to make it more vibrant, it all depends on your driver or driver that you have right now on GPU. Remember, you can only use NVIDIA if you have an NVIDIA GPU. If you have an AMD, you need to use the AMD app. But that's about it. So, hopefully this video is able to help you like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.